This is a 2009 Nissan Rogue. How to change the AC compressor. It's going to be in here on your passenger side. Down in here. It's on the belt. The belt is going to have to come off. There's that connector right there. That's going to need to be unclipped. And then see that rusted bolt right there? That's going to need to come out. And then the other one right there, that's going to need to come out. And then there's two 10 millimeters right there. One of them's on a long post, so you're going to need a deep socket for the one on the right. And then that one there is going to have to come out. If you still have freon in your system, it will shoot out of there. So make sure you drain the coolant or the refrigerant if you don't have any. So then down below, there's going to be, if I can get in, I'm on the passenger side here. And then to get at, then down below here's them two, the bottom two bolts are right underneath there. There's the AC compressor. And then so just there's those two bolts down here. Once you get down there, you'll see them. So then there's the two bolts that you can see, them rusted ones. The clip, those two, and then this hose comes up to your low line, and then this one goes in to the radiator. Them two hoses doesn't really matter, but the hose does come to here from the AC if you follow it down there. But it's pretty simple. It's just those two bolts, that connector. The hardest, most annoying part is you're gonna probably have to jack it up to get access to the belt tensioner. If you can see it there, the belt tensioner, to get slack to be able to get the belt off. So you will have to jack up and take the tire off, which is kind of the most annoying part about this. Otherwise, yeah, there's room down there. And then you can get at those two from the top here. And then you can disconnect the battery if you're worried about the electrical on it, but I didn't. That's how you remove it, and then you're going to need to fill it after.